Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. So for today's episode, I'm going to do some of the things that I had to do with the car. The first thing is, safety first. So the first thing I changed is the tires. The tires are a bit old and very used. So I actually found this good deal online. Okay, this shop is selling, I believe it's brand new, but old tires. Yes, so the tires date are slightly older. This is, I believe, a 3 to 4 year old tire. Yeah, but it is brand new. Yeah, so take a look at the tire that I changed out. I believe it is almost at its end already. And this is the tire sensor for those of you who wanted more information and having a good look at the brakes and the air suspension when the rim is out. So this is the tire I'm getting. Yeah, according to the shop owner, it is a new tire, relatively new. Yep, and it is just a bit older. Yeah, so I'm just going to put it on because it was a really good deal. I couldn't pass it. Yep, so they did all the balancing and everything included in the price. And the mechanic here is torquing back the wheel nuts. This is quite rare because most of the shops do not use that. They just use the impact wrench. Yep, so for this one, it's a special one. Okay, I actually got this on cash converter. Yep, and have you all guessed what it is already? Yes, and it is only at $10. Yes, so it's really cheap and it is brand new. Yep, so I believe someone has bought this and regretted it, and I have no idea. I mean, if cash converter is selling it at $10, I don't know how much he sold it to cash converter for, like $5. Yep, so this boot tray, right, the boot liner is brand new, and I think it is a very good addition to the car. Alright, so this explains this DIY. Yeah, so the boot has a creaking sound. Yeah, it squeaks when it opens. So the moving parts are the hydraulics. So a bit of WD-40 on the point of contacts. Yeah, the joint area. Yeah, it should be a very easy fix, guys. There you have it, guys. Very easy fix. And for this, yeah, I believe a lot of you will have this issue. Where do you put your phone? And guess what? I opened the door the other day and a package came. Yep. As usual, I told my wife that, she says I spend too much money on all these accessories on the car. Yeah, so let me just open one and show you how it works. Anyway, links to the items are in the description down below. Okay, wrong side. There you go. Voila. So this really tidies up the center console. Yep, so check out on the links down below. It is very nice. It's specially designed for the Cayenne. And over here, I have a key fob. This is the second key I was given, and it does not have a cover. So, knowing myself and how I always drop things, I just bought a cover to cover it. And this cover is really inexpensive. It's really cheap as well. Links to the item, so it will be in the description down below. Do check them out. Yeah, and I do quite a bit of online shopping. Yep, so usually I'll look for the best deal, the one with the the most reviews and at the most reasonable price. Yep, so there you go. I think it looks nicer, and the thing I like is it really protects the key.
Okay, so right now I'm checking this part, which is the blower motor.
this is the part where it sucks in the air into the AC because we're having very low air inside. Yeah, the amount of air coming out of the vents is not that high, so I'm suspecting it might be blocked. So you just remove this piece over here. Yeah, usually there will be like a vent for air to go in, so this will be a telltale sign which side to open. That side is totally closed. So I was looking in, and guess what? It's full of debris and leaves. Yeah, so I believe the air is not getting in. Yeah, it's full. Yeah. After meddling around, there is still tons down there. Not just here, over there as well. Should be a design, might be a design flaw, I'm not sure, because it seems to trap everything that's down there. And below the plastic cover is the blower motor, which is inside the glove box somewhere near the area, and this is the place where the air gets sucked in, and you can see it is filled with leaves and stuff. Yeah, and I've been getting very poor airflow in the AC, the aircon. I have to turn it up quite high to have a proper airflow, so I believe some of this has been obstructing the area. So we'll be cleaning this up. Yeah, so for those of you who are having these issues, right, okay, you can check it out. It's on the passenger side. Yeah. So if your car is a left-hand drive car, it should be on the other side. After spending about 15 minutes vacuuming, I've tried to vacuum most of the stuff out. There are some places they are really hard to reach, and they are wedged between the wires. But if you can get most of it out, right, I believe it should be good enough. Another trick here is when you have a smell in your AC, right, you can just blow some like air fresheners and stuff. Yeah, things like this. Yeah, we can just blow it over here, and the smell will actually go through the AC system and go through your vents, and you have a nicer smelling air. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do right now. One thing you can check is after you spray, right, there should be the smell coming out from your vents, and that's when you know you are doing the right thing. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you like this, please smash the like button, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. So guys, stay safe, stay healthy, happy modding your car. Bye bye.